Welcome to my cooking channel. Today we will cook delicious Nasi Lemak. Nasi Lemak is name in Malay. It is the unofficial national dish of Malaysia. In Terengganu and Kelantan on the east coast of the Malay Peninsula, taken rice is very common. There is also a similar delicacy in Indonesia called udiyu rice. In Malaysia, Nasi Lemak is not only loved by Malays, but also Chinese, Indians and other ethnic groups who like to eat it as a dinner. The biggest feature of Nasi Lemak is that rice is cooked with coconut milk and pandan leaves. Ordinary Nasi Lemak will have sambal, a kind of chili sauce, fried peanuts, cucumber, ikan bilis, boiled hard-boiled eggs, etc. as ingredients. Let's cook this delicious food together. Ingredients are rice, pandan leaves, ginger, and coconut milk. Wash pandan leaves and tie a knot. Pat flat ginger with knife back. Put all ingredients into rice cooker bowl and add 200 milliliters coconut milk. Add enough water, then select Cook Rice button. Add 2 teaspoons salt. You may steam hot-boiled egg while rice is cooking. Once rice is cooked, remove all ingredients and stir well. Nasi Lemak is done. Serve with your favorite dishes. Yummy! Super easy recipe. Give it a try. This rice is delicious even to eat only rice itself. Next, we'll stir-fry sambal. Potatoes that perfectly pair with Nasi Lemak. Let's start cooking. Sambal potatoes and anchovies. Ingredients are potatoes, onion, anchovies, and sambal sauce. Slice potatoes and onion. Fried anchovies until crispy. Add potato slices. Add onion slices. Two teaspoons of sambal sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of water. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and 1/2 teaspoon salt. I'll stir fry until aromatic. Sambal potatoes and anchovies is done. Easy and delicious dish. It's yummy to eat this with Nasi Lemak. Give it a try. Let's combine Japanese curry with Nasi Lemak also. You may buy Japanese curry cubes from grocery store. This is convenient and quick recipe. It's delicious to cook with potatoes, carrot, and minced meat. Japanese potatoes curry. Ingredients are Japanese curry cubes, potatoes, carrot, and onion. Cubes all ingredients. I used 3 small pieces of curry cubes. Stir-fry all ingredients until potatoes is golden brown and onion is translucent. Add hot water to slice cover ingredients. Cook and melt curry cubes. Cook over low heat until ingredients are softened, stirring occasionally to prevent bottom from burning. Japanese curry is done. Smell good and look at the thickness of curry gravy. Follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Don't miss out and do follow my channel, yeah. Hope you liked today's recipe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.